Welcome back, my friends. Those who are new, welcome. I am Ipshita from India. Now, winter is creeping slowly. Together with that, Christmas vibe is going on. So I thought, why not make a series on Christmas nails? Now, to begin with, I will make a very simple Christmas nail design on these nail tips, which I will be later putting it on my dominant hand, on my dominant finger. Now I have taken the little bigger size of the nail tips. You can see it's little bigger because after applying acrylic or polygel or gel, it tends to shrink a little. So always go for the bigger size. The process I'll be doing today is a very easy process. I'll be applying acrylic on these nails to make the design, and then with acrylic I will apply it on my nails of my dominant hand. So I have named this Easy Girls method. Now the color I am using is red acrylic color. This I brought from AliExpress and it comes in a pack of 18 or 12, I don't remember. This is a golden glitter custom mix color which I mixed with mica pigment and golden glitter. Clear acrylic. Feng Shang means monomer. Green glitter dust. Red and green chunky glitters. Christmas transfer foil. Number 12 Katz Kolinsky brush. Now I am starting with the middle finger nail tip. I will be covering it with red acrylic powder. Full nail will be red color. This is a typical Christmas red color and it looks lovely during the Christmas. The red pops out so vibrantly. Now I have taken the nail tip of the index finger and making a smile line, extended nail bed with red acrylic powder and creating the smile line. The other nail I left it to dry. Now here I am perfecting the smile line so that I don't have to file it. So I am going on perfecting it. Together with that, I am smoothing out the full extended nail bed once again and will leave it to dry and will go to the pinky nail tip rather. Now this one I am going to do with this green glitter dust. For that I am applying, first I have applied the clear acrylic first, and then over that I am applying the glitter dust, and after that I'll be taking the clear, then dip it in the glitter and will create the full nail. Since I am making a Christmas nail series, I am going to come with lots of more designs in the forthcoming videos, and you can see them and can try them on yourself. And don't forget to tag me either here or in Instagram. The link is given in the description. Now with the ring finger nail tip, I am covering it with the custom made golden color. I will cover it completely with this custom made color, the golden color, and then will take some clear acrylic and will put it on the nail, and then will apply the chunky red and green glitters on it in a diagonal pattern. I am dipping the brush into the clear and then into the chunky glitters and placing them on the nail. Same thing I am doing with the green chunky glitter also. I am taking very less amount. I'll show you how much less amount I am taking. then you can understand the ratio, and then I am applying it on the nail. Now see, such a tiny portion I have taken. Always use clear acrylic and then dip it in the glitter, then the glitters won't move from its place. The reverse nail bed has dried up now, so I am doing the French tip with the glitter dust, the green glitter dust, and in the same way I am picking it up with, first I am dipping it in the acrylic, clear acrylic powder, and then into the glitter, and then placing it over the nail tip. I will encapsulate all these nail tips once I finish the full set. Now with this thumbnail, I'll be doing it a complete red color one, and after completing it, the color I'll be leaving it to dry, and after it dries, I will file it and buff it, and then will apply the Christmas foil that I have shown you in the beginning of the video. In the starting of the video. After completing this nail, I will go back to the middle finger nail that must have dried by this time, and will take these two polishes and will put simple dots and will cure it, flash cure it in between. Now I am taking Venalicia's red gel polish and will again apply simple dots at the top right hand corner where you can see the design is there, and after that we'll put some glitters on it so that it sparkles. As you know, for Christmas everything should look sparkly. Now that sparkly word is created by me, so I beg your pardon for that. Since the sticky layer is still there in the green polish, gel polish rather, so I am using that, taking the advantage of that sticky layer and putting some chunky glitter on it, and now I am encapsulating it with builder gel and will give it a flash cure. Now with this thumbnail, I am just filing it. Now the full filing portion was out of frame, so I just deleted the footage. I am buffing it thoroughly so that there is no lumps and bumps and the surface area gets smooth and even. Now I am applying foil gel and will cure it for 60 seconds. Now back to the index finger, I am applying some clear acrylic and then putting an iridescent snowflake on it, and by that time you can see I am speaking something and something is showing. So by that time my foil gel was also cured and the foil was also applied, and now I am encapsulating the nails with clear builder gel. First I am giving a slip layer, and then I am taking a little more portion of the builder gel and walking it down from cuticle area to the free edge. I am doing the same for all the nails, and after doing this I will cure it for full 60 seconds. A little tongue twister, full 60 seconds. Now after it get cured, I won't say it now, let's wait till the footage comes. Now all the nails got cured, and now I'll be taking some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free wipe and will clean the sticky layer of all the nails, and will not file and buff it right now. I will prep my fingers, prep my nails, will put the dehydrator and primer and will come back. Now all my nails are prepped and I'm taking off all the nail tips from the stand and taking clear acrylic, giving a sticky layer, a wet layer on my fingertip, nail tip, and then on the inner side of the nails, and then holding it firmly till the acrylic gets sets. Now one thing I like to mention here, before you start this process, you should always etch the inner portion of the nail tips, otherwise the addition won't be good and the nails will pop out within few days, within overnight or a day or two. The nails are looking little lumpy here after applying it on my nail tips, but this won't be after I filing and buffing it off. But one thing I would like to mention, I stopped my camera for a few minutes because there was someone at the door, and when I came back and filed my nails and applied the top coat, everything I did was without the camera, means the camera was not on and I thought it was on. And what to do? This is an apology, I forgot, and so please, I beg your pardon, forgive me for that. Now see, my nails are all done, the top coat is already applied. So how do you like my nails? If you like it, then please give a comment, hit the like button, and please do subscribe in my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. Now let's see the reveal shots. Thank you for watching and have a great day or night wherever you are, and goodbye and be safe. See you in the next video.